If you're looking for AirPods substitute on the budget, you can get these S16, that's the model designation, as you can hopefully see on the box. They come in a small case like this, and they're pretty good. They're pretty good. So this is what they look like in a box. Let's have a look. Now, the sound quality is almost as good as premium headphones. So I have premium Huawei earbuds, and these are premium earbuds, headphones, however you want to call them, really with the really good sound. These, the S16 model, this will not give you a premium experience, definitely not, but the sound is pretty good. It's close to being premium. The gap in the last 3 years has decreased dramatically. It's this close. So a few years ago, 2-3 years ago, I would need to pay around 50-60 quid for similar sound quality. Now it's 20 quid, 20 pounds at the moment. That's the retail price. When I got these, I got them for free. They were retailing for 25. Now it's 20 pounds. It's like, you know, incredible value for money, and you get the nice box, cable, and these headphones. They're very good for phone calls as well. Very good sound quality. People can hear me really well. Now, as they are kind of copycat of earbuds in a way. I mean, earbuds are not a new invention either. They're just a different form, another level. They have this shape. So if you are okay with this shape, then these are for you. Just buy them. The links, by the way, to these and others, other recommended headphones, earbuds, below the video. So you just need to put them in your ear and then adjust a little bit to your liking, because they have a strong bass, and sometimes you might want more bass, sometimes less. So depending on the song, you might want to adjust that. Also, there is no active noise cancelling like in premium earbuds like Huawei here or AirPods, of course. So there is no really any isolation, but you know, I use them on London Underground. I could hear things, but definitely there was a lot of noise, whereas with my Huawei earbuds, when I put them in, it's a little bit quieter, and when I switch the noise cancelling, obviously it's really good. With this you don't get it, but you know, 20 pounds, you know, it's incredible value. What's annoying about them? Well, they have actually great touch control. It really works well for volume. This is the internal volume of the earbuds, not in the phone. And the annoying thing is when the volume goes to maximum, it quiets everything down. Whether it's a phone call or music, and it says maximum volume or something like this, and that's annoying, you know, because then I can't hear what is being said, you know. But otherwise the touch control works good. However, when I take them out of the box, you know, I grab them by the top, and therefore I immediately activate the touch control. Almost always I need to remember to kind of put it in a different position, so I grab it by the bottom and then I put them in my ear, not to activate the touch control. So that's annoying thing. And also because they are laid in the box like this, so it's the opposite way. So they get out of the box like this, and then I need to twist them this way to put it in my ear. And the same when I want to put them back, I need to grab by the top, put it in the box and close it. They connect very well, very quickly via Bluetooth. They're not the fastest in the world, but they're pretty fast, around 5 seconds or so. So no complaints here. It's a very small annoyance factor with that touch control. Other than that, the really great sound. I was really very well pleased. I'm happy to listen to these. I prefer these obviously, but the difference is really small. So sometimes I do take these out and walk with these when I want to hear more what's happening around me, for example, or just to test them. So great product. In the meantime, watch my other reviews of other headphones, earbuds, and how to choose the best one for yourself, because that's important. You know, there are many things to consider. Take care. See you in the next one.